Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing the desktop development with C++ workload so the MSVC toolchain is available. Once done, create a new console app and immediately add a file named main. C. Visual Studio Treats. C files as C. Make sure to pick the right platform, x86 or x64, and set a clear project folder. This gets the compiler, linker, and IDE configured so you can write, build, and run standard C code without detours. Next, add your C files and headers and organize them into src and include directories. Then open Project Properties. Under C/C++ switch, compile as to compile as C/TC. This forces MSVC to use C rules for compilation. Update additional include directories to point at your headers and add any library files under linker right arrow input. Build the solution to catch compile errors early. Then iterate on small fixes so you avoid cascading problems later. Finally, run your program with local Windows debugger and set breakpoints to inspect variables. Use F10 to step over and F11 to step into calls. Configure command line arguments and working directory in debug properties so runtime behavior matches expectations. When linking or runtime issues appear, make sure files end in C and project right arrow C/C++, right arrow compile, as is set to /TC. Also check your main signature and include guards. This single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.